You ever look at your bank account and think, wait, where did my money go? Who spent this? Because it wasn't me, right? Yeah, same. And that's when minimalism hits different. Because minimalism isn't just about owning 3 shirts, a plant, and a neutral-colored couch. Financial minimalism is about cutting the expenses that eat your money in silence so you can finally breathe and actually keep more of your income instead of watching it disappear like it's on autopilot. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to cut first. Not the fun stuff, not your weekend coffee, not the things that keep you sane. I'm talking about the quiet money leaks, the ones you don't even realize are draining you. Let's get into it. First thing to cut, your invisible subscriptions. These are the ones you didn't remember signing up for, the ones you swore you canceled, and the ones that keep charging you every single month like a clingy ex who refuses to move on. Gym memberships you don't use, app trials you forgot about, software you don't open anymore. Cut them. Minimalism starts with cleaning the financial closet. If you haven't used it in 30 days, it's gone. Because trust me, you're not using 14 subscription services. No one is. Second, unnecessary upgrades. Here's the truth nobody admits. We upgrade things that didn't need upgrading. Your phone works, your laptop works, your TV works, but then a shiny new version comes out and suddenly your perfectly fine device looks old. Minimalism for your wallet means one thing. Use things until they stop working, not until you get bored. Your future bank account will thank you. Third thing to cut, convenient spending disguised as self-care. Listen, ordering food because you're tired? Relatable? Ordering food because you didn't want to wash a fork? That's a different story. If you're spending $200, $300, even $500 a month on takeout and delivery fees, that's not convenience. That's lifestyle inflation. And it's subtle. It sneaks in one meal at a time. Meal prepping, cooking at home, even simple 10-minute meals will save you more money than you realize. Minimalism isn't about struggle, it's about intention. Fourth, cut your "I might need this someday" purchases. You know the stuff, that gadget, that kitchen tool, that cute organizer, the life-changing item TikTok told you to buy. Minimalism says, if it doesn't make today better, not someday, not maybe, don't buy it. Someday isn't on the calendar. Your bank statement is. Fifth, cut the idea that you need the best version of everything. You don't. You don't need designer clothes to look put together. You don't need a luxury car to feel successful. You don't need the expensive version of every brand. Minimalism for your wallet is learning to love the mid-tier, the affordable, the practical, the thing that does the job without emptying your wallet. Because the truth is, financial freedom doesn't come from buying more. It comes from wanting less. Sixth, cut the clutter that costs you money. This one surprises people. Clutter isn't just physical, it's financial. You ever lose something you already own so you buy it again? Scissors, chargers, tape, tools. Clutter hides the things you already paid for. Minimalism means you're not constantly rebuying things because your space is overwhelming. Clean space equals clear brain equals fewer duplicate purchases. Seventh, cut toxic comparison habits. Because nothing destroys your wallet faster than trying to keep up with people who aren't even thinking about you. Minimalism isn't just about less stuff. It's less comparison, less pressure, less, "I need this to feel enough." When you stop buying to impress people who don't matter, your money finally stays where it should, with you. Eighth, cut energy waste. This is the least glam but the most effective. Lights on all day? Running AC for no reason? Appliances plugged in when not in use? It adds up. And minimalism is all about trimming the quiet bills that grow behind your back. Little changes equals big savings. Ninth, cut impulse spending by giving yourself a waiting rule. Financial minimalism loves boundaries. Before you buy anything, ask, will I still want this in 48 hours? If the answer is yes and you can afford it, go for it. If not, you just saved money without even trying. Minimalism doesn't restrict you, it just makes you honest. And finally, cut chaos by automating your money. Bills, savings, investments, set them on autopilot. When money has a job, it behaves. When it doesn't, it wanders off into Target and never comes back. Minimalism gives every dollar a purpose. Every dollar has direction, and suddenly, the stress starts to disappear. Minimalism isn't about living small. It's about living smart. It's about removing what doesn't matter so you can afford what actually does. And once you start cutting the right things, your wallet gets lighter in the best possible way. Not empty, but finally free. If this helped you rethink your spending or gave you a little financial wake-up call, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want more real practical money tips without the boring lecture vibe, make sure to subscribe. Now tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you want to cut this month? Let's talk about it. Thank you for watching.